Hi, hello, how are you? Welcome to the presentation of Herbie.ai, the advanced generative AI powered conversational AI based multilingual voice assistant. We are a hybrid technology of generative AI and conversational AI. This sandbox of Herbie has various editions of Herbie for different industrial verticals. Also for internal employees with our HR bot with IT help desk and bot for managers and management. Today we are going to explore the banking edition of Herbie.ai. The advantage of the hybrid technology of Herbie, we call it as human sense technology. We have the controlled generative AI with zero training. When somebody is asking question, based on their intent, the response is uniform, which is not possible with any of the Gen AI components like GPT, Anthropics, Gemini, Bard, or Copilot kind of stuff. Second, Herbie has the ability to display multiple contents like image card, carousels, audio, video, playing, input forms, surveys. Multiple elements can be taken up with Herbie. Herbie can speak 132 languages globally. We have our own adapters for connecting with more than 15 social channels pre-built. No code change, no data manipulation. You can activate Herbie in Facebook, WhatsApp, X, Telegram, Instagram, Alexa, Siri, Google Assistant, Viber, WeChat, Slack, Teams, Skype, SMS, email, cloud telephony, physical robots, any of those channels you can extend Herbie. Herbie also comes with the inbuilt human contact center, live agent, live chat module with a smart queue system. Based on the language, location, customer segment, they will connect to the right agent. And this module is universal, supports the customer live chat request across 15 channels. They come to the unified platform. Based on the channel, it supports audio, video, conferencing facilities apart from text-based chatting. We have universal API adapter with which we can easily integrate Herbie.ai with any of the internal system. We already pre-integrated Herbie with popular core banking systems like T24 Temenos, FlexCube, Finacle, Banks, Profile. Apart from many of the ITSM tools like ServiceNow, Freshdesk, Zendesk, HubSpot, Salesforce, Jira, Redmine, BMS Remedy, and so on. We also integrated Herbie with popular HRMS systems, SAP SuccessFactors, Oracle HRMS, or any homegrown HRMS or third-party HRMS application. With this, we will get into the presentation of Herbie.ai. The users who logged in, they can change their language. We support 132 languages. Herbie also comes with auto language detector. Other advanced feature of Herbie is when it is extended to WhatsApp, the users can send voice notes rather than typing to get the response from Herbie. Every language selection comes with multiple voice cultures. Herbie provides her own voice. Apart from we support the standard voices from Microsoft, Google, Amazon, browser voices. Multiple elements are supported by us. So with English itself, we have more than 50 plus voice cultures we provide to the end customers. The first time users, they can do a guided navigation or they can conversationally ask their questions. Now I am going to conversationally speak to Herbie and see how it responds. This is a real raw video, uncut video without any manipulation to demonstrate the high-end capabilities of Herbie.ai. I am looking for savings account. You don't need to maintain a slang. You can speak however the way you are looking into. Herbie will understand the voice and can provide the response.
Open saving account with Future Bank easily in 3 simple steps and avail unmatched benefits and privileges. Future Bank Savings Account. We offer below savings accounts products. Please visit our nearest and call 1-800-1234-1234 for more details.
I'm just muting it. You would have heard the voice of Herbie. We can control what Herbie has to speak and how it has to speak. Let us explore more voice related stuff as we are progressing on the demo. And I have asked a very simple question about savings account. Sometime back I told Herbie understands the intent and context. The advantage is when somebody come and speak however colloquial with regional dialect, sentence problem, grammar problem, Herbie looks upon the intent rather than the keyword and questions. Like for example, I have two children. They are studying in school. One is 15, other is 18. I need money for them. How you can help me? So you can go with a very long conversation with Herbie. The beauty of Herbie is it understands that the intent of the person is they need money. The context is for the study of their children. So understanding the intent and context, Herbie go and find the right product that benefits to them and display the product. Not only that, Herbie has a feature that it can also show the related topics next to you, so that it will give more choices for the end customers in exploring what they can look upon. It also gives immediate feedback from the customers about thumbs up and thumbs down. This will help Herbie to further deep train herself to respond to the queries of the customers as the data is progressing. And in case if the customer has got multiple record set, for example, are you giving credit cards? Herbie will go and find the result for you and come and display.
Please select an option from below.
There are 3 cards offered by the bank, so it gives them in an image carousel. So you can choose upon the carousel. When you click any of the card, that will go and open it, either redirect to your website or it can display the data below itself. Not only that, you can also activate multiple survey components at the defined periodicities. You can define at the end of 3rd conversation, every 5th conversation or end of the session. You can also bring commercial banners to be displayed. The surveys can be a star rated or button based, or it can be an answer based surveys can be collected from the end customers. Let's get into some of the transactional areas of Herbie. Can you show my current balance? So as I get into the transactional area, Herbie will try to authenticate me.
Enter your register.
9791013494. As I enter my number,
please choose security.
You can notice that in line with the compliance to the GDPR, DPDP and other data privacy and protection regulations, Herbie masks the customer sensitive data. We are certified with ISO 27001 for data security, ISO 9001 and SCI CMM for the process maturity, certified by CERTIN for our vulnerability assessments. We conduct monthly audits on the product, apart from our compliance to various data privacy and protection regulations. Customer can be authenticated with password, OTP, face recognition, security question, voice or captcha. Let me choose voice, which is the highest level of authenticating a customer.
Please submit your voice.
So even if I'm unwell, it does the voice culturing. So it will recognize my voice and allow me to get in. Hey buddy, Sundar here. I wanted to do some transaction. Can you please allow me to get on? So it will synthesize my voice, and if my voice is matching.
Welcome Sundar Rajan. Please choose an option from the list. 16008795 savings account. 16005867 deposit account.
I'm just muting. If you look into it, I asked the Herbie to show my current balance. I have 4 relationships with the bank. So it is showing all the relationships and asking me for which I need the current balance. Second thing is, if you hear the voice, it did not read the masked content. The data is masked in line with the data privacy and protection regulations, and it read 16008795. We can tell Herbie what it has to read and how it has to read, like a number or integer or currency kind of stuff. Let me choose the account for which I wanted to know the current balance.
Your current balance is 2,166,189 dirham and 0 fils.
So if you look upon, Herbie understands the currency's denomination. Based on that, it can read it in millions or lakhs and crores. These are all the intelligence what we can provide to Herbie to give utmost customer experience. Like how we see in the knowledge area, even when the customer do not know what type of transactions are available, they can click any of the guided navigation. We provide 130 plus services for the retail banking and corporate banking, loan accounts or credit cards, circulating around that balance inquiries, transaction inquiries, statement inquiries, KYC related, hot listing related, loyalty related, utility payments related. So 130 plus services are available. Let me get into the next question. Generally we ask show me the last 5 transactions. Rather I can even ask to Herbie, can you show my last 3 credit transactions? You can ask last 3 debit transaction, top 3 credit transaction, last 5 transaction.
credited for outward clearing check. Outward clearing 000688 credited date 28th December 2021 15,000 dirham and 0 fils.
Right, so it can go and instantly fetch my transactions and show me. Even I can ask for statement download. I'll ask, for example, I need new checkbook. So the checkbook request can be the most
Please
simple
choose
in the world
number
today,
of leaves
right?
from the list.
So that's
10.
all. When I choose the number of leaves, my transaction is
Your
completed
transaction
successfully.
is completed successfully. Your transaction reference number is ESQ195422021.
Right, so by now a request is placed. You will receive the SMS from the respective system about processing of your checkbook. So even my doing a transfer is the very easiest job. Like for example, transfer 5,000 John for family support. So Herbie will understand John is my beneficiary. I am trying to transfer 5,000 from my
Nickname
base
John
currency.
amount 5,000 add. Okay. Cancel.
Right, so when I look upon, it will
Your
do a
transaction is completed successfully. Your transaction reference number.
Right, so you can activate an OTP beyond certain amount, which is again a front end configurable on the product. You can activate voice authentication, so customer can be authenticated again when they wanted to do a transaction based on certain limits. These are all configurable parameters of Herbie. Hope you would have enjoyed the session on Herbie. Thank you very much. Good day to you.